Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best desoldering pumps that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Tabagger solder wick and desoldering pumps. All you need to do when you are about to start using this solder wick and desoldering pump is cock it and then press the trigger button. It works great for both left and right-handed persons. As if that's not enough, this tool has a double ring double open that combines with the vacuum button to improve the sucking power. Plus it comes with 2 pieces of solder braids that measure 2.5 mm in width and 1.5 meters in length. The desoldering wick features geometrically precise weave, which, in turn, has copper and rosin. The body of the desoldering vacuum pump is constructed with premium abs for exceptional quality. This means you should not be concerned at all about the desoldering pump being plastic. Although this kit has a variety of tools, it is affordably priced for maximum satisfaction. Moving on at number 4, we have Tabagger desoldering wick. The one-handed use design makes this desoldering pump very easy to use for both right-handed and left-handed persons. All you need to do is to cock the desoldering pump and trigger the button with one hand when you are ready. What's more, this desoldering pump features an aluminum bronze frame and a high-pressure vacuum to help you remove solder from a printed circuit board with quickly and easily. It also features a precision weaving solder braid that has a width of 2.5 mm and a length of 1.5 meters. The braid can help you clean the spare solder to avoid short circuits. The aluminum construction has high heat resistance, not to mention being corrosion resistant. It also boasts good heat dissipation. While the solder sucker is great for broad places, the solder wick is ideal for small, hard-to-reach places. At number 3, we have Unbe's soldering toolkit with poo carry bag. If you are a frequent user of a desoldering pump, we think this product is worth your attention and probably money. It is a 14-in-1 soldering kit. Well, for the price, this is a great purchase anywhere in the world. The kit includes RoHS, FCC and UL safety approved soldering iron, 2 electronic wires, desoldering pump, wire stripper cutter, 5 soldering tips, tweezers, tin wire tube, and soldering iron stand. The soldering iron tools are ideal for appliance repair, jewelry welding, and welding circuit board. The desoldering pump, on the other hand, is made of rugged metal construction, which is quite a surprise, considering the insanely pocket-friendly price tag. The desoldering pump allows for simple one-handed use, and it is great for removing PCB through hole solder joints. This kit comes with a lot of accessories, hence, it will no doubt make your life a breeze. At number 2, we have Engineer SS02 desoldering pumps. We'll not complain about the slightly high price point of this solder sucker. This is because we feel that it is worth it. For instance, not many desoldering pumps come with a flexible tip. Therefore, the fact that this solder sucker comes with one is something we cannot give a cold shoulder. The flexible silicone tip is heat resistant, and this allows the nozzle to come into direct contact with the soldering iron without any damage. It also allows the nozzle to envelopes the solder joint. By so doing, the flexible silicone tip contributes hugely to a dramatic improvement of suction. And when suction is dramatically improved, expect less solder residue after each action or press. Another reason why we have no complaints with the slightly high price tag is that this desoldering pump disassembles quickly to allow for easy maintenance. And finally at number 1, NewLink 153 Deluxe Series Desoldering Pump. To have an easy time tackling all soldering tasks, you need a high-performance desoldering pump. And this is where the NewLink 153 Deluxe Series desoldering pump comes into play. It is a heavy-duty desoldering pump that seems more than capable of lasting a long time. Furthermore, this desoldering pump is ergonomically designed. Its handle is large so you can hold it comfortably and use it for a long time without feeling any kind of fatigue. The handle also feels solid, and this is another indication that the desoldering pump is well made. Another impressive feature of this desoldering pump is a top-notch and large tip that combines with a powerful vacuum to help you remove all solder in no time. Given its features and outstanding build quality, this desoldering pump will help make your work more convenient. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.